2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.